Here's how you can add captions like this to replicate Alex Hormozi's videos. First, search up the bold font, and then you want to go to dafont.com and download the font. Here, once it's there, you'll open it. Usually it might not be zipped, so then you just click the zip file and then you have it here. Then you want to go to the .ttf file and install font. Now, if Final Cut Pro is already open, you want to close it. Then you want to find the project that you're currently working on. Say I'm working on this project. This project is the video I want captioned. Then you want to go to help, and then you want to search up title and then connect title, basic title. There you go. And then you want to adjust it so that it ends at where you stop speaking for that phrase. I'll just let the video play so it makes more sense.
Here's a way to get more content.
So here's a way to get more content is pretty much what I want in that phrase that's going to get captioned.
Here's a way to get more content.
So I'm just going to type out that phrase. Here's a way to get more content. And then I want to go and change it to the bold font now, like this. And then I generally make it smaller, around 40, 42 say. I can drag it, move it down to about here. Then I want to select outline, show. So always default to red, but I want it black. I want width to be around 14, blur to be around slightly less, like that. That's kind of how I adjust it, and you can play around with the settings yourself. Okay, so once you've captioned this phrase, say I want content to be a different color, then I have to go highlight content, go down to face, then say I want it to be green, click green, which I've already pre-saved here, and there you go, green. If I want content to be a different size, I can adjust the size of just the word content. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how you can adjust it so that the word you're currently speaking is a different color, or the word you're currently speaking is slightly larger than the other words. So the way to do that, every time I say a new word, I have to cut this caption. So I have to cut it here because I say here.
The way.
I'd say way around here, cut it here. I have to do this for the entirety of this segment. Often I could do this for the hooks because it's enticing and the viewer gets engaged. Okay, so I've done that. Now I want to go, actually before I start, I want to make it all white again. Cool. So here, I want to make here's, say green. So highlight here's, then go down, color, underface, color, I want it green. So here's is the word that is green. Then the next one is so highlight A and then make it green as well. And I do this for the entirety of this segment. Okay, I've done that and this is what it looks like.
Here's a way to get more content.
Cool. So now what I'm going to demonstrate is that how you can do the exact same thing, but instead of the colors moving, the size of the word is moving. So the word you're currently speaking is slightly larger than the other words. Highlight the word that you're currently talking about and make the size slightly bigger, say 40, say 50, why not? And then you have to go to the next segment, find the word that you're currently speaking. For me, it's already highlighted because I did it with the color thing. So now with the size thing, it's the same thing. So I'll just do that. Make everything 47. Okay, I've done that and this is what it looks like.
Here's a way to get more content.
Okay, so a few things I can add now. I'm just going to show you how I can easily add an emoji. So I just want to copy and paste this piece of caption if I want the emoji directly above it, so it's the exact same duration. So Command C, Command V. So I have two of the same caption now. So then I want to get, say, a video camera emoji. So I'll just search up video camera emoji. Say I want this one. Copy and paste it here. Adjust the size, and I can move it wherever I want it to go. Cool.
Here's a way to get
And I can adjust the length.
Here's a way to get more content.
Also, I can do a pop-up. Say I'll put this here for the sake of it. Say I want to do a pop-up of a man throwing money, which I've already got here. So I want to make it pop up somewhere here, and I'll adjust the size and move him slightly that way. And I want to have a sound effect so that when he pops up, it sounds a bit more crispy. So I'll just search up cartoon accent 17 is what I usually use. I'll just drag and drop that here, and I'll usually make it -15. And this is what it sounds like.
Here's a way to get more content.
And that's pretty much how you do it. So that's pretty much how you add captions. If you want help with your own personal brand or a startup with socials or short form content, and you need help with something like caption, strategy, when to post, and you want to get in contact with me and my team, what you can do, you can head on over to my website, first link in the description, and send me a message. See you in the next one.